What's up, everybody? I just got my H22 balanced delete kit, and I guess I'm just gonna do a review on it and maybe show the install. It's from this is the H22 Precision balanced delete kit. I just got this maybe 2 days ago, and the reason I got this is because it's a lot cheaper than Kaizen Speed. And it looks like it has the same stuff that Kaizen Speed has on their kit. And there was other stuff on the market. I think there's maybe 2 or 3 kits in total that are out there. They have, of course, Kaizen Speed. This one's from Precision, and they have another one that's JSP, H22 Balanced Delete Kit, I believe. I think it's HJSP, but I'm not sure. That one's at $79. This one's $85, or total of $87, give or take a few cents. I went with this one because, one, the price on this is way cheaper than Kaizen Speed, and it seems like it has everything, like exactly what Kaizen Speed has. It comes with the 1/4 tap, which I'm probably going to be end up using that for other things. I'm sure I am. It has the plugs for the oil pump to delete the shafts, with both of them on there. It has a spacer, which I think it goes in between the pulley and the timing belt, or the timing pulley, and all your plugs. It has the 3 small ones and that 1 big one, and the one that has to be tapped for the, I guess, where the oil feed is coming through, I guess. So it's 1. It looks exactly the same as the other kit, as the KS. The JSP, I didn't go with that one. That one was about $7 cheaper. I didn't go with that one because that kit came with 5 of these plugs. 5 of these. So that meant that I would have to sit there and tap 5 plugs on that block, on that crank. And I wasn't about to do that. That's way too much to be tapping. So I went with this kit. I paid was an extra $7, which is not a big deal at all, just so I can get these plugs. That way, just bang them in and call it a day. And it comes with this, and it comes with the plate, which I think is not even necessary to even have the plate, but it makes it look nice, I guess. And for all you people that need to have name brand stuff, you guys can just put a KS on there, draw it, paint it, whatever you guys feel like you guys need to do to make you guys feel better at the end of the day. But this looks exactly the same thing as KS. I'm hoping the install is going to be easy. I'm probably gonna have to go find a press, which I know my brother has a press. I just need to go over there and get it, or I'm gonna see if I can try to figure out, maybe see if I can bang this stuff in. And so I'm gonna see if I can show you guys that install, hopefully pretty soon. Okay, that seems to be working okay. Now I gotta just take off these caps, or I think that's what they're called, not sure. Alright, for the ones you need to take out so you can put these in, it's well, these 4 plugs right here, ones you just tap in or bang in, I guess. There's 3 little ones and 1 bigger one. You have to take off this one here and the 3 down here. These are the smaller ones down here and one of the big ones up here. You just got to remove those. These you can remove however you feel more comfortable with. Try, you can use one of these. I would have used it, but it's broken, so I gotta use my channel locks, which I've used them before and they work just fine. So it's just your preference. You just gotta crush them and then just wiggle it out if possible. A little more difficult. Okay, 1. Try not to scratch the surface. Okay, getting there. All right, and that seems to be it. I kind of want to clean up the inside of it because I'm assuming oil runs through these ports here for the crank. Or for the crank bearings. And since they haven't done any oil changes, like if you can smell this, fuck, this shit stinks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the inside a little bit, and then I'll show you how to put the plugs in. Alright, clean it up. Smells a little better. It was not too bad inside, just bad smell. Like really bad oil burnt smell. Now I'm just gonna take these little plugs and just bang them in. And it doesn't seem like it's gonna be too easy. No, not that easy. Let me get a little bit of oil. For a little bit of lubrication. Okay. Seems to be one down. Now for the rest of the 3.